is what you'll need to make my firecracker salmon recipe. Some salmon, of course, dash of brown sugar, some fresh ginger, a couple of garlic cloves, an orange, some chives for decoration, some soy sauce, sweet chili sauce, hot sauce, as much or as little of that as you'd like, some chili flakes, some paprika and some olive oil. First thing we're going to do is make the marinade sauce. So into there is some freshly squeezed orange juice from your orange. Then we're going in with your garlic. Then we're going to grate the ginger into there. Then 2 tablespoons of your sweet chili sauce. A tablespoon of your olive oil. A tablespoon of your soy sauce. And then as much or as little of your hot sauce as you'd like. Then into there with a teaspoon of chili flakes. And lastly, a teaspoon of your brown sugar. And just get them mixed together. With your marinade done, it's time to turn your attention to your fillets. We're just going to take the skin off. And then pop them into your marinade, giving them a good covering. And then these are going to go into the fridge for an hour, just to let them flavours infuse. When they've been marinating nicely away in the fridge, put them onto a plate. Then I'm just going to put a bit of salt and pepper on them, and then just to red them up a bit, some of the smoked paprika. And then it's time to get a frying pan out. Into a pan with your dash of oil, and then your salmon fillets. We'll give them about 3 minutes either side to cook, and then they're going in the oven. When they've had 2 or 3 minutes either side, it's time to place them into an oven-proof dish or a baking tray. Turn on your oven at 190 degrees Celsius. Put your sauce back on, and then into the oven go. They go for around 10 minutes. Once it's been in the oven 10 minutes, take it out, garnish with some of your chives, and then serve it up with whatever accompaniment you want.